Lotto. What do you mean lotto? Otto? I thought Otto was a goldfish. A goldfish? Well, how do you make gold? I don't know, but I know red and yellow make orange. Looks like gold. What is gold? G-O-L-D? Is it go-L-D? Is it, you know what I'm saying? 12 and 13. The 12 and 4 is purple. So let me explain it again. Colors, mixtures, games, exchanges, words, letters, consonants, small letters and big letters, vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. A is U. So if you say V-A-G-I-N-A, you will say it's ultimate. Why? Because it's U-T-I-M-U. And that's like ultimate. One of the things about this association is 1 and 2 coming together in where the 22nd letter, right, brings on the E. The E automatically, fabrication is 1 times 2, 1 plus 2, creating this scenario. It is an 1111 cross membrane of what is 7, 4, 8, 3, 9, 2, 6, 5, where the 9 and 2 is the association of the house of Bait, Mars, Vet, animal soul. Hebrew day 6, land, animal, and man, ET, DNA, French and English association. So what is the 24-hour day? 24 and 1 and 24. 23 and 3 and 20 and 23, and so on and so forth. And you'll see that after 3 days and 72 hours and 4 days and 96 hours, you'll see how the rotation comes out. I have a grid coming out. I have a whole bunch of grids coming out to share, right? Changing the waters of my knowledge, right? Knowing where every piece and part, where everything fits, where binary code comes from, how it was created. Is it upon the breath of man? Sure. M dot, A dot, N dot, 81. Take away 28, 60, 53, 53, 63, 73, 81. 5 and 3 balances with 7 and 5, 5 and 7, electric moon, 216, 126. Pisces and Virgo splitting the clock, 120 degrees at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, at 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock. How about 3 water signs running of Aquarius? The building of Aquarius, the running of Pisces through Aquarius. 1 in 1 area space. 1 is always at the heart, 2 is always on the outside. 1, 2, 1, 11, 11. Incoming and outgoing of all worlds, right? Thank you for watching this video. 649. What is the 649? Check out the division. Right? All the divisions of 49 have 42 answers, and look at the sequences. It's just out of this world. Come join me in a live here today, now, or ask me to join your live. Let's share. Thank you. CAT 24. CAT 24, 324, 18 by 18, 324. Reverse alphabet is X. You have sex. The dog is 26. The queen, the god. It is also, what is 26 and 55? 81. What is 24 and 57? Sky pass, time, moon. Sky pass, 55. 7 times 6, 7 plus 6. 42 and 13 equals to 55 and makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. What did I do? 7 times 6, 42. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 and 42, 55. Adding up 1 to 10 equals to 55. 1 through 9 equals to 10, and it's your first association and equivalent to the 0 equivalency, but it starts with A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, C, D, A, C, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, C, D, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, F, G, H, F, G, I, F, H, I, G, H, I. Now you have A, I, B, H, C, G, D, F, H, D. And now you have fire, fire, air, air, water, earth, earth, water. You want to play tennis? Digits. The Digimon, right? What are the digits? What is the alphabet? Come and join me. It's not so scary. Or maybe it is. Thank you for watching this video. Aura. Cheerios. Cat and dog, AC/DC. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 is 3 and 4. Elohim, 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, 5, 12. Consciousness equals to 7, 12, 19. But there is no 9, 10. It's a 10, 9 combination. We never arrive. It stops. It stops at 16. 9, 7 equals to 16. The birth into the house. The end. There's never more than 7. On a dice cube, if you take a look, you'll have 6, and the reverse side is 1. And if you turn it, you'll have 6 and 1. So that's 6, 1, 6, 1, 12 and 2. Will actually just be a 6 and 1. Thank you for watching this video. Oh yes, 252, 126. You got to divide it until you get to the prime, and then you have to learn where the prime comes from. Thank you for watching. Share, share, share.